The police are coming for me. Oh shit.
What's up, guys? Small Father here with vlog number 11. They're laughing at me. This is yeah, people. Can you see? Yeah, they can see it. Yeah, hey, you see him? Yep, there we go.
What's up, kitties?
What's up?
What's the,
He's wet.
What's the channel called again?
Small Father Productions.
Small Father?
Small Father Productions.
This is Big Father over here.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah, okay.
you're doing pretty good today.
He's Italian. So this is my rugby ball. We were playing with it before. It's pretty cool.
And this is the guy that
Catch.
carried you in the rugby game.
Chicago. You what? Oh yeah, he's our hooker. I'm the prop. So we have a good bond together.
Is that not her boyfriend?
Here's some fools over here. We got, we saw Endgame together. It's pretty cool.
Follow me on Instagram, Christian Mears.
Oh yeah, he powerlifts, and he broke like 3 New York State records, even though we live in Connecticut. But he's gonna break some Connecticut ones soon. I went to the last competition, and it was pretty cool. I was like the coach, but unofficially.
You're the best spotter in the world.
Yeah, I spotted him on the bench. Oh yeah, wait, we made a video on that. There's a video on that if you guys watch. It's pretty cool. He's like the youngest guy there. Anyways, stay tuned. All right, we're gonna go hit this kid with the rock. Don't worry, we're friends with them, so it's okay.
I'm just trying to skip the rock. If I hit it's a bonus.
Look at his back. Like, what the hell? I don't have that shit.
I'm just gonna skip the rock. At you. Yeah. I'm really good at this. Yeah, so
It sucked, bro.
never mind. Heads up! Heads up! wait, Sam.
What?
It sucks you didn't get that on video. That would have been funny as hell.
If you got that on video?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this woman was like hitting on him, bro. She was like, damn, you're packing. And he was like, all right, cool. And she was like, what's your number? And he was like, no. And she was like, oh, I want you to come back to my house. And then he was like, no, I'm okay. So it was a good story, right? This is like Animal Planet stuff, bro. Look at this. They're walking as a family. It's pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. You like that? Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, I look, there's more over here.
Oh my
Look, they're all walking to the water together. It's pretty cool. There's one flying over there being a bitch. But anyways, look, they're walking as a family. It's pretty cool. They're all going to the water together, It's a bunch of babies.
Oh my god, there's more! There's like
Oh, I don't want to hit the baby. I want to hit the adult though.
Hey,
Hey, don't hit the adults.
don't throw rocks.
I'm bombing the adults.
I don't want to hit the baby.
Don't throw
Maybe
rocks.
Stop!
Let's square up.
Look at the mom.
She's gonna beat the hell out of you, bro. Look at
Who
that.
is the mom?
No, she is.
Yo, don't hit the birds. That's fucked up.
Hey, you watch your language.
Animals, if he hits one of us.
I want to keep the baby one.
You guys are.
All right, so we're passing the rugby ball. I was just doing that. I'm the best. I gave 3 hats away. They took it off, but I brought that.
Lord.
There's that dude. He's wearing a hat still.
Did it hang you?
She took it off. I got her an FSU hat because she's from Florida. And then my girlfriend is wearing the bucket hat, but she took it off because she's lame. I don't even know if they saw you. There you go.
Has to go in the
All
water.
right, this kid's gonna shot put a rock, and he failed like 5 times in a row. So let's see
Here,
if he
ready?
actually
I'll
does.
do a different technique.
The spinning one.
Yeah. No,
It's gonna fall out of your hand.
Not my spinning one.
What's he doing? This thing is gonna make it lighter.
Ready?
Wait, you're listening to what it's telling you?
Yeah, it's telling me.
It's like the magic conch from
Oh,
SpongeBob.
shit, dude, it's right.
It's a magic 8 ball.
Yeah.
What was that? What was that? He's not getting it in the ocean? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oof.
That's
That's
what
in.
I missed
That's
part
in.
of it, but it's okay.
It's in
Did you whisper my name?
Yeah, and then you didn't look.
Exactly.
Hey.
Oh, that's looking
All right,
nice.
see you. All right. So the beach day is coming to an end, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going home.
My pants are.
These people went in the water, the goons. It was really like cold. I didn't go in. We were smart, but we're going home.
Bye.
We're gonna have some burgers.
Peace out.
Goodbye. No, because you're gonna say the thing again.
No, I was gonna go peace out and then go right there.
Sam's vlog.
Say hi, Spencer.
Hi, Spencer.
Are you leaving?
Yeah, we're all going home.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. So I'm wet now because he hugged me.
We're ending the beach day out
All right,
here.
so please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.